Ladies and gentlemen, put on your spacesuits and fasten your seatbelts because we're about to blast off on a wild ride through the finance galaxy. AMC Entertainment Holdings Inc. is making headlines once again, but this time they're going to the moon and beyond to raise some funds. You see, they hit a roadblock when they reached the maximum number of shares sold to the public. But AMC wasn't going to give up that easily, so they invented the AMC Preferred Equity Units, APE, or as we'll call it, Apes, which is a new type of preferred stock that was out of this world and not subject to the industry's cap on how many shares can be sold. Now, with 1 billion apes authorized, the sky was the limit, or so they thought. Last August, AMC paid a dividend of 1 ape per share owned by the public. They were so excited to start selling these apes, but things didn't quite go as planned. They didn't trade at the same prices as the public AMC shares, leading to a 65% discount on the value of the apes. But AMC has proven to be relentless. The board of directors went back to the drawing board, and now they're asking their shareholders to vote on an amendment that would allow the conversion of apes into AMC shares and allow the company to issue more stock to the public. Meanwhile, the financial media tried to stop retail investors from buying AMC stock, but they said, "We do what we want." The hedge funds tried to tell retail investors to sell, but they hit it out of the park and made a 3,000% home run. The mainstream media is getting a little salty because they serve the hedge funds who want AMC to crash and burn, but they're not going down without a fight. With a 22.1% short interest, there's still room for a short squeeze in 2023, which is about 179.25 million shares that need to be squeezed out of these hedge funds' grip. The AMC community is a bunch of rebels, taking a stand against market manipulation by hedge funds. Retail investors saved the company from bankruptcy and uncovered hedge funds' dirty tactics. It's time for the AMC community to raise awareness and fight for a fair and transparent market. The short squeeze play is just the beginning, and it's about standing up for what's right and fighting for a market that works for everyone, not just hedge funds. The retail investors are joining hands to blast off to the moon and score a touchdown with AMC stock. The financial media can't stop retail investors, and the hedge funds can't hold them down. Retail investors are taking a stand and making some money while they're at it. That concludes our video. If you enjoyed this information, please comment, like, and share. Also, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our Friday series on the steps to achieving financial independence. Thanks for watching the Financial Independence Network.